White House. You will be happy, you think you are the most successful person on earth. But the one who's mentioning you and I is not a mayor, is not a governor, is not a president, is the creator of the whole universe. That is Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So that's a great thing that one should be in it. And we ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to continue to bless us, to bless our kids, to bless our families. We ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to accept from us whatever we are doing, and to forgive us for our sins, to write our names from amongst those that will be the winner in this great month of Ramadan, and to make us min utaqaihi min an-nar. Allahumma ameen. Subhanaka Allahumma wa bihamdika, nashhadu an la ilaha illa anta, nastaghfiruka wa natubu ilayk. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Keep up with the good work, inshallah. We are with you. And most importantly, Allah and His angels are with you.